How to mince or brunoise a shallot. Technically, a brunoise is a dice that's smaller than a small dice at 1/8 of an eighth by 1/8 of an inch cubed. Since onions have layers, it's kind of hard to get a perfect brunoise on a shallot, but we try to get pretty close to it. First thing is, you'll notice we're going to cut the end off the shallot, and then we're going to go ahead and split the shallot in half so it can lay flat, which makes it easier to manage. At which point we're going to go ahead and make sure to peel it thoroughly. You want to make sure that there are no skins or peels left at all, so make sure that in between you wipe your cutting board thoroughly to ensure that you don't end up with any shallot, or if it was an onion skins in your finished product. At which point we're going to take the shallot and first make some horizontal cuts. Try to get them approximately 1/8 of an inch apart. At which point we'll go back and then begin to slice the shallot thinly. Again, we would like them to be about 1/8 of an inch apart. If the shallot falls apart a little bit, no worries, just move the excess pieces off to the side and continue. Then switching over to a larger chef's knife may give you a little bit better results, as you then roll through and then nice and thin, again about 1/8 of an inch apart, slice all the way through the shallot, finishing your brunoise. This is a cut that we use on a nearly daily basis at Arizona Culinary Institute, so it is certainly one that you're going to want to become quite comfortable with. Because of its importance, we'll go ahead and walk through it one more time. Taking your halved peeled shallot, go ahead and make horizontal slices, making sure not to cut all the way through because you want the root to continue to hold the shallot together. Utilizing a paring knife, nice thin slices close to one another, once again leaving the root end intact so that the shallot still holds together. And then finally, if you're comfortable, switching over to the chef's knife once again, and then making thin slices for the final time. At this point, make sure that you are slicing all the way through, all the way down to the cutting board to complete your small dice brunoise.